we are going to check. Excuse me. Don't pump it the fuel right now. We are going to do the compression test before. Okay.
Okay.
Please.
Okay, I'm ready. What would you like to do first?
Okay, Ray, pay attention. We are going to disconnect to remove the spark plug wires all at the same time, but I need that you mark, put a label in each cable to avoid confusion in the future.
Sure.
And we are going to remove all the spark plugs. We are going to remove the spark plugs from the blocks. But be careful with the wires in order to avoid that you mix it one wire with the other one.
Okay. So I noticed on my wires, as you can see, they're already pre-labeled.
No.
I'm not removed from here. I'm just showing you. I see they're labeled here. And then on the other side, I noticed that they are labeled right here. See that?
Okay, perfect. That's correct.
And then what I went ahead and did is each one, I did Roman numerals and kind of marked it. So this one has 3, this one has 1, and that one has a V for 5, if you see right there.
That's correct.
Right here, that's V correct. 5, and now I'm getting ready to do number 7. I'm going to label number 7 next.
Perfect. Okay, that's correct. Okay. And after that, we are going to remove the cable and the spark plug, all the spark plugs.
All right, a good angle for you.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay. I got some good video equipment, so.
Yeah, it's good.
I just didn't bring it all, but I'm going to try to, if we do this again, I'll make sure to bring back all my equipment.
It's nice. Let me check the top of that spark plug.
Okay, 1 second. Let me have a little lighting on it.
Okay, can you exactly? All right. Okay, it's not bad. It's good.
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead with the next one.
Okay. All right. So now I'm going to remove number 3. I don't know. Spark plug number 3.
Okay. Oh, that's better than the other one. Okay, great. Thank you.
Yep.
At the end, we are going to start the engine. We need to clean all of those spark plugs with a wire brush and with a piece of sandpaper.
Sandpaper and wire brush. Okay.
Oh, this is great. This is better. This bank is better than the other one.
So this, get it out. Should be number 6.
Okay. All right. This is good. We don't have oil in any of them. We don't have water in any of them. I hope that the compression be good. Okay. To do the compression, we are going to disconnect the center cable in the distributor cap, the cable that is in the middle, the cable that is going in between the coil and the cap.
Okay. I'll take that out 1 minute. I'm just taking out number 8 real quick.
Okay, perfect.
Number 8.
Number 8. Oh, Excuse me? Okay, this is good. Yeah.
So now I'm going to take off like you asked. Over here, 1 second.
Yeah, it's that cable, correct. Correct. That one. That one. Perfect. Okay, that's it. That's it. Okay, and now we are going to put we are going to create in a piece of paper a table with 8 columns, 1 per each cylinder. Cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay, try to introduce that hose into the hole and verify if the thread is the same.
Okay.
Probably if that thread is the same, yeah.
Yep. Okay, so you want number 1, you said, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Correct. And now you insert the gauge in the other end.
Make sure it's straight again.
You type with your hand. Okay. Can you introduce the pressure gauge in that end?
Yes.
Correct. You need.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. Okay, and now we are ready to crank. We are going to crank. Ray, pay attention.
Yeah.
5 times. Crank, 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 crank. That's it.
Okay. You got it.
And we are going to read how much is the reading. 5 times, maximum 6 times.
5 times, maximum 6. Okay.
You hear crank, 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 crank.
Yeah, I'm going to do that right now.
Okay.
All right. Do I got to pump some fuel in?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Here we go. Five times?
Okay, that's correct. The pressure over there is 130.
130, yes, I agree.
Okay, release the pressure in the side of the gauge. Release the pressure with your finger in the side of the hose. You see exactly. No, exactly. Release the pressure and try again.
3, 4, 5.
Oh, okay, that's correct. 130.
Yep, 130.
Okay, cylinder number 1, 130.
Okay.
And now check the second one, 1 per 1.
Let me write down 130.
Exactly, or 1, 3, 5, 7, and after that 2, 4, 6, 8.
Okay. That's pretty good. Okay. Okay, connected. One, two.
This is 100. That's not good.
Uh-oh.
Okay, we are going to check again that cylinder.
Okay. Here we go. 1, 2.
Yeah, it's 100 and 110, the second one.
Okay. Okay, so it's hand tight. So now I'm going to put in the socket and then the ratchet. Okay.
Okay, that's
It's like a quarter turn. That's right?
yeah,
Okay.
that's enough.
Okay. Let's go to the next one. You want me to accelerate again?
Yeah, more.
Okay.
It's running?
Yeah, it's ready.
Okay, perfect. If you want, we can stop and we connect again the original few lines.
Yeah, it's off now. So what do you want me to do now?
Okay, it's off. We are going to disconnect carefully the fuel lines from the portable tank, and we are going to put them back the original fuel lines.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Let me do that.
Be careful because we are going to expel some fuel, and the engine is hot.
Okay. Got it.